always want to try to get the head on like good flat surface. So you're usually hitting it at perpendicular. Okay, see when you did that? You started to get sheet. You don't want to tear that, you want to stay deep on the hard metal. Now this is where you could actually kind of come in a little higher. You still at an angle, and that will roll it down. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay. Now you have to do